Wait. Oh! Car even road legal? Not really. Then why are you driving it on the road? You hit one over there. And I don't even know. Alright, here's this Ruud photos at this AirBNB here. And it's starting up. There goes the blower. Try to see where the igniters are. There they are. And it didn't sound like it used spark ignition, but I might be wrong. Yeah, this is a Ruud furnace at our old house. We had one just like this, but it was a ream. Then we have this little vent on the side, blowing this air. And then here's this thing on the side. This probably replaced something. And by the way, I checked and there isn't an air conditioner for this. But then we have an A.O. Smith water heater. And an old Maytag washer and dryer. That'll be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.